Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Subaru Outback step by step. Start by confirming you have a key or fob, then check fob battery and try unlocking from a few feet away. If that fails, test rear doors and trunk and look for exposed key slots under caps. Keep tools ready like a Slim Jim only if you know how to use it safely and avoid damaging seals or electronics. For the key fob, remove the coin cell and check polarity, then swap in a fresh battery sized to your fob and test the lock and unlock buttons from close range. If the car ignores the fob, try the backup key and check the owner's manual for reprogramming steps. If reprogramming is needed, follow exact steps to avoid resetting other settings and consider dealer help if the process is unclear or fails. If you're enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe to support more helpful car tips. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is leak-proof and easy to hold while you work on locks, so it makes a great companion during roadside troubleshooting. I like it for long walks to find a signal or for hot days waiting on help. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the key fob and spare keys fail, locate the hidden key slot on the driver's door and use the physical key gently, rotating slowly to avoid stripping. For models with electronic locks, access through the passenger door or trunk may be different, so inspect seams and seals before inserting tools. If you feel resistance or risk damage, stop and call roadside assistance or a locksmith to prevent costly repairs or voiding warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.